I was sent this PQQ energy supplement and it supports healthy aging, which I think we all want. Now I just started taking it, so I can't really talk about the results I'm seeing or the benefits just yet, but what I can do is explain why you might want to add something like this into your daily routine. Now this supplement is designed to support how your cells create energy. The main ingredient is called PQQ. It's not a stimulant and it's not caffeine. It also includes a few other ingredients commonly added for self-protection and antioxidant support, which basically just means that it's helping your body deal with everyday stress, which, yes, raise your hand if you have everyday stress. So you just take 2 capsules a day with food preferably, and 1 bottle should last you about 30 days. You can see the capsules are small in size. They're easy to swallow. No flavor. And while I can't tell you how it's working yet because I've just started taking it, what I can tell you is if you've been looking into a supplement that's going to help focus on your cellular or your energy support instead of giving you like a quick boost like caffeine would, then I do think you're going to really find value and love these.